Today we're gonna talk main reasons that businesses fail and things that I wish I knew before I started my own business 17 years ago. Hello everyone, today we're gonna talk about why you need to have your financials in good shape when you are running a business. Okay, your financials are the main thing that will tell you how your business is doing during the course of time. Okay, how much money is coming in, how much money is coming out. So basically, this is what will determine if your business is in good health or if it is in bad health, if it is going good or if it is going bad. And this is the main reason that businesses fail, because we don't know how it is doing, how my incomes is covering my expenses, and that's the main idea, and that's the main reason businesses fail. They go bankrupt, right? They run out of money, they don't work. That's the main idea. And in this video today, what we're going to talk about is how you can track those incomes and expenses in a very easy way. Okay, the first thing that you need to track is your expenses. That's the main thing. Okay, so in those expenses you need to include wages, how much you pay yourself, how much you pay to your employees, how much you're spending in things for your suppliers, vendors, things that you need to pay and buy to make your business work. Okay, anything that you expense in the business, you need to track it. Okay, because this is how you're gonna have up to the cent what is going out from your business, from your banking account. Okay, so you need to track all that data, and it's very simple if you're starting out. Okay, you can have a simple spreadsheet. So this is what I used when I started out, and I started putting all those expenses in a spreadsheet. And then start tracking all the information. Okay, you can also have a software, like for example to track recurring expenses. I use Expiration Reminder, which helps me out tracking all those subscriptions, all those renewals, and those expenses that recur every year or every month, and then I have an idea of what I need to spend my money on. That will help you out too when tracking your expenses. The next thing that you need to track is your income. How much money is coming into your bank account, right? From your sales, from your sponsorships, from anything that you do to make money. Track those also in a spreadsheet. For example, you can have one top row in your spreadsheet showing all your income and then all the expenses. Okay, use something to track those incomes. Also, any recurring income that I track, I use Expiration Reminder, because it will show me when those incomes are coming, like anything that I have on a contract or a recurring customer that is paying me on a monthly basis. Maybe then I can track those and when those contracts expire, for example, and I can see that data in that system. So then it's very easy to get that information from Inspiration Reminder and then put it in a spreadsheet where I can see all my income, for example. It's just making my life easier at the time that I'm building this spreadsheet with all the information, right? The other thing that you need to keep in mind is your taxes. How much you're gonna pay in taxes. Okay, find out on a federal level, on a state level or province level, and your city. Okay, find out all the taxes that you need to pay so you can plan out. Okay, and you're gonna say, okay, this is how much I will need to pay, so you can deduct that from your income too. Okay, so you don't have surprises at the end of the road. Okay, you can have a line on your spreadsheet also showing you for example, how much you're gonna pay in taxes. Also your wages, when you pay wages, you also have to pay taxes for that. So include that also in there. Okay, any insurance that you need to pay about, also put it in a line in there. So you're also tracking that. The idea is that you don't have any surprises at the end about what your business is cashing out from the bank. Okay, the other thing that I would recommend is that you have an accounting software. There are many accounting software out there. You can use QuickBooks, Xero. There are a bunch of them. If you are not that complicated, like if it's just you can basically maybe do it in a spreadsheet for the moment. But if you can start from the beginning with a simple accounting software, I would recommend to do that. I use QuickBooks. Like, it's very simple to use, just tracking income, tracking expenses, and then you can have some nice reports about how is it doing. And usually, if you have an accounting professional doing your taxes, which I would recommend that you have to, they know how to use that software, and they just have to get in there and get the data out to do your taxes at the end of the year. So for sure, I would recommend that you use a software. It will make things simple, and then you can print out invoices, you can print out any quotes that you need to. So it makes it a little easier from your side, and you can learn, and you learn from the beginning, right? If in your business, you are in this for the long term. So as early as you can start learning new software and new tools. I would recommend that you do that, okay? Then the other thing that I would recommend is that you build out this cash flow spreadsheet, okay? The cash flow spreadsheet is gonna give you how your business is gonna do in the next 12 months, okay? Projecting your income in the next 12 months, projecting your expenses in the next 12 months, projecting any investments that you need to do down the road in the next 12 months, and then checking out how your business is gonna cash out and what's gonna be the profit in the next 12 months. That's a cash flow forecast, okay? This will help you figure out down in the road and down in the future if your business is doing great, if your business is healthy, okay? If you see like sales are declining, you can very quickly see in the cash flow how much you have left until you can increase that cash or it dies, okay? What you need to do to change that curve, for example. So that's gonna give it to you in the cash flow spreadsheet, and it's very simple to build one, okay? Just put the months on the top and then put your expenses and your projected incomes down in the next 12 months, and you're gonna see all that information there in one place, and it's gonna give you the health of your business down the road. So now you have all of these tools. Make use of them, because this will help you out in your business, and it will help you down the road about building your scenario and how healthy your business is. Stick out, subscribe, so you can see more videos around how to manage your business.